In this area, you can find two boards for control purpose. This is the on-off controller, and this is the user interface controller. And here you can find the power board. Okay, first we can remove the blade from the machine. To approach the power board area at the bottom surface, we have to remove the blade holders at the both sides. First, we have to remove the blade holders at the both sides. This area and this area. Okay, we just removed this. Blade will be locked in this area only. Okay, like this, the blade will be locked. So that blade holder, first we have to remove it from the both sides. Then we have to remove the 6 screws at the bottom cover area. Once you remove the screws, you can remove the bottom cover tag. You can remove it towards the blade assembly area, not tank assembly area, because in the tank assembly area you could not open the bottom cover top. So you should pull it out through the blade assembly area. Once you remove this, you can find thermal fuse over the top cover area, and this is the power board. Okay, and in this side you can find a motor. It is a roller drive motor. The roller is driven by this motor. Okay, in the front panel you can find two boards. To approach this, you have to remove 4 screws on the each sides. Okay, there will be 4 screws, you can find it. To remove the front panel, you have to remove the 4 screws. All the 4 screws will be hidden by the screw cap. It is actually a warranty purpose. We close each screw area with a cap. It will be glued at the front side, so it cannot be removed easily. To remove the screw cap, you need a sharp tool like this to puncture the screw cap, and you can remove it like this. In this way, you have to remove 4 screws. This is the control board area, and this is the power on off board area. The board is guided like this, and I have a 4 screws for locking that. And this is the power on off board area. It will be also guided and locked like this. Okay, this is the control board, and this is the power on off board, or we can say driver board. This is the this is the tank motor. Okay, here we have seen already roller motor. This is the roller motor and this is the tank motor. The tank side, one lever will be a driver lever. It will not be moved easily. And opposite side is just a support. It can be easily moved. It is just a supporting drive. This is the motor side. This is the other side, drive gear connected directly to the motor, and this is the intermediate gear. It will be in loose condition, and this is the output gear. This gear will drive the roller setup. Okay, there is a limit switch in this to sense the roller position. If any problem found in the limit switch sensing, it will be indicated by the Q4 LED error indication for this limit switch. And in the opposite side, we can see the roller motor. For the roller motor position, there will be two limit switches are there. One is the bottom limit switch and one is the top limit switch. If any problem found in any kind of these limit switches, it will be indicated by Q3 LED error indication. I will show you how to remove the tank motor. One limit switch connected with the motor directly, and one will be connected into the frame. The connection is a soldering process, and there will be a connector. It has to be connected in the power board setup. This is the rotary connector. This is the rotary connector. Here, this is a rotating part, and all the output will be in stable condition for the wire connection. For that purpose, we have using this rotary connector. In this, the wire connection is done by the soldering process. If any problem found in the soldering area, it will be indicated by the Q1 LED error, which is if there is any problem in the thermistor connection, then it will be indicated by Q1 error. At the time, we have to remove the front panel and we have to check the soldering conditions in the rotary connector area. I will tell you how to remove it and how to remove the frame and the tank unit, frame and the roller unit. In this area, there will be a 5 soldering will be there. If any soldering problem found, we have to solder it, desolder it for the proper connection. With no contact frame and be control. Okay. Okay. To remove the gears, there will be a circlip in the output gear area. Can you see this? To remove the circlip, you need a special tool. There is a circlip player is required to remove the circlip from the output gear. It is an external circlip. To remove this, you need this kind of tool. Once the circlip is removed, you can remove the output gear. And I will tell you how to remove the frame and how to get the roller assembly. Okay. To remove the roller assembly, you have to remove the two circlips. One is from the output gear side, one is in the opposite side of the can. Once you remove the circlip from the both sides, you have to remove the 4 screws to remove the frame and the 2 screws for the tie rod also. First, we will remove the tie rod by one hand and try to remove this frame in by another. And then we can pull the roller to remove from the other panel. It is supported over the bearings. It is supported in the bearing. Okay, this is the roller assembly.